fell. Our family's been at war for so long now, no one remembers what for. Now they found out about us, they won't let me see you anymore. Come on babe, let's hop a train, watch the world pass by all night long. We'll travel on through the darkness till we see the break of dawn. We're gonna keep on rolling as the sun's going down, and soon we'll be far gone from the folks in this town. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, so girl get on, it's leaving. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, girl we're leaving. Come on girl, your dad says he hates me and can't pick you up not anymore. Thought I'd won your heart, but now we're in this family war. We're gonna make our break, girl we're leaving tonight. Before we're torn apart, we better do what's right, end this fight. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, so girl hop on, it's leaving. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, so girl get on, we're leaving. Come on girl, the train is ready, it's rolling out tonight. Time to leave this town behind, say goodbye to our family fight. Come on girl, the track is long, our future's just around the bend. You'll call your dad up someday, he'll hear your voice, we'll make amends. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, so girl, hop on, we're leaving. This train is gone, it's leaving real soon, you better be leaving. You know it's right, it's the way it should be. The future is bright if you're coming with me. Hop on, this train is leaving. Up on. I should write a couple more words to finish this one off. Thank you very much for listening. These are the songs I'm going to be doing for the open mic this week. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. My whole world, girl, revolves around you. When we drifted apart, I thought it would be no time, girl, till you were back with me. Seeing you here, tore me apart. All I wanna do is hold you in my arms. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. My whole world, girl, revolves around you. Fell in love with you, I thought you loved me too. Then you walked away and left me feeling blue. When we drifted apart, I made a new start and built a life with a woman who loves me. But in my arms I want her to be you. I try to love her back as much as I can do. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. My whole world, girl, revolves around you. Fell in love with you, I thought you loved me too. Then you walked away, left me feeling blue. When we drifted apart, how could it be? Together forever was our destiny. Maybe I was wrong to think I was right. Lately I've had trouble sleeping through the night. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. My whole world, girl, revolves around you. I fell in love with you. I thought you loved me too. Then you walked away, left me feeling blue. When we drifted apart, a life on our own, two solitary figures standing alone. When we made up our minds to go our separate ways, I never would have believed I'd be counting the days. Fell in love with you, I thought you loved me too. Then you walked away, left me feeling blue. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. My whole world, girl, revolves around you. Baby, I'm calling, teardrops are falling. Things we used to do, then you left me feeling blue. That's it. Oh, I'll never do it, but there's this song coming up here. I'll just ad lib. 12 minutes. Wild seeds don't grow in the white man's world. Children don't know what it means to survive without vice, sin, and the white man's gin. What it means to walk with your head held high. What it means to live. What it means to die. My name is forgotten, like the names of our dead. My ways are neglected, just memories in my head, with the pain of a million dead. Pain of a million dead. My path is now ending, my journey is done. I long to look once more upon the rising of the sun. But don't weep for me, I need no pity. All I need is a wind in the city to carry my spirit to where the fields are pretty. Carry my spirit to where the fields are pretty. Wild seeds don't grow in the white man's world. More children don't know what it means to survive without vice, sin, and the white man's gin. What it means to walk with your head held high. What it means to live. What it means to die. To get to where we are going, remember where we have been. Remember. Speak for the children who will never know that the world has a spirit, everything living a soul. Weep for the wind that carries on its way memories of a better better day, memories of a brighter way. Wild seeds don't grow in the white man's world. Weep for the old wise men who had their way and believed in the white man's better way. Weep for the ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-bum-bum. For wild seeds don't grow in the white man's world, and the children don't know what it means to survive without vice, sin, and the white man's gin. Thank you very much for listening.